Hi book friends, today we're going to be reading Cookie Monster's Busy Day. Cookie Monster washes his hands. He washes his face. Cookie washes his arms. He washes his belly. Cookie washes his knees. He washes his feet. Cookie gives the soap to Oscar. No thanks, says Oscar. Cookie and Elmo eat their colors. Cookie Monster eats an orange carrot. Elmo eats a red apple. Cookie eats blueberries. Elmo eats green peas. Yummy. Cookie eats purple grapes. Yum, 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 yum. Elmo eats yellow corn. Cookie eats a rainbow cookie. Me love rainbow color, says Cookie. Cookie Monster and the parade. Cookie Monster walks. Elmo rides his tricycle. Abby flies. Big Bird roller skates. Grover rides a skateboard. The Count rides a scooter. Zoe dances. The friends make a parade. Cookie Monster's bed. This is Cookie Monster's bed. Cookie puts a sheet on his bed. He puts another sheet on his bed. He puts a blanket on his bed. He puts a pillow on his bed. He puts another pillow on his bed. Cookie Monster is tired. Cookie goes to sleep. And that was Cookie Monster Goes to Sleep. I hope you enjoyed today's quick story. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again soon with more stories. Bye!